Hey guys, happy Monday. I'm in the woods again. I've been hiking, but right now I'm resting on the ground. I've actually been climbing like the logs behind me. And it's been fun. It's like nature's jungle gym. So right now I'm just taking in the forest. I think the Japanese call this forest bathing. I've been seeing books in Barnes & Noble about forest bathing, but I haven't read any or bought any. And I just looked it up, and forest bathing is just spending time in a forest atmosphere, just spending time in the forest as preventative medicine. And it started in Japan in the 1980s, if Google is not lying to me. And I really do think that being in the forest is really good for my happiness and my health. Even though I'm stuffed up right now because my allergies got really bad after I organized my room yesterday. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I purged my whole room. But just enjoying my time out here. It's a lovely day. I thought it was going to be 20 degrees out because that's what my weather app said. But when I got into the car and started driving, it was actually 40 degrees out. So it's really nice, and I'm really enjoying my alone time with the trees. I think sometimes people have this misconception about New Jersey that it's really industrialized, and it's like cities and Camden and Newark and just kind of industrialized kind of places. But there's actually a ton of New Jersey that looks like this. I could just stand here all day. For some reason, when the ground is like this and it's all perfectly icy, I don't know, I just love that. Does anyone else think this is cool? I think it's cool. I think it's pretty. But I also think it's really satisfying to walk on ice when it's like this. So now I'm rooting it. But it's so cool. I love when the ground's frozen. I don't know why. Listen. Now this is an ASMR video. Okay, sorry, that was probably weird, but I find that very satisfying in ASMR. There's a deer here. There's a deer print.